believe that, lift up your hands and just say, I believe God. I believe God. What He said is true. He always comes through. I believe God. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
I believe God. His word is true.
I believe.
I believe God.
Yes,
What He
I
said He will do.
I believe God.
I believe God.
He will
He
always.
will always come through.
Yes, He
I
will.
will choose
I will choose.
to believe.
I will believe.
I believe.
I believe.
Yeah.
I believe God.
Believe God.
I believe God.
His word is true. I believe God.
By your stripes I'm
What He
healed.
said He will do.
I believe your word is true.
I believe God.
Every promise
He will always come through.
I will choose. I will choose to believe. Every promise I will receive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I believe God. His word is true.
His word is true.
I believe God.
Believe God.
What He said.
Said He
Yes, He will. I believe
believe God.
every
He
word.
will always come.
Yes, He will.
I will choose.
I will choose to believe everything He said about me. I believe, I believe, I believe God. There comes a time in every believer's life that your faith will be tested. And whose report will you believe? You must believe the report of the Lord. Make a choice to believe God. No matter what you're going through, no matter what your situation, no matter how bad it looks, trust God. Believe that He'll make a way for you. Trust His word. Choose to believe. Lord, we believe You. We receive from You.
I receive God.
Lord, we want more than just to believe You. We desire to receive
I
You.
believe.
We open up our hearts, we open up our hands, and we say we receive, we receive.
I receive God.
Lord, I take You at Your word, and I believe You.
I believe God.
I receive everything You have for me.
I receive.
I believe in Your resurrection power. Yes, I do. I believe that You died for me to set me free. I believe it. Everything You said to me is written in red. Jesus, Jesus, I believe in Jesus for my family, for my children. I believe You. I believe You. I believe You. I believe it.
I believe God.
Open my heart and I receive God.
I receive God.
I believe God. Do you believe Him tonight? Do you really believe Him tonight? You can take Him at His word.